You paste this in.
No. Good night, good night, good night, good night.
Good evening, kings and queens.
What's up? What a go? Come on in.
Long time no see.
Oh, yes, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. Come in. Although we're tired, but come in. Although we're tired, but come on in. Happy Saturday.
Right, Saturday.
Saturday, yes, happy Saturday. Tired, see, but come on in. Yes, man, come in. Good night. Good night, Dina. How you doing?
Good evening.
Lucina. How you doing? Queen, good night.
Good evening to you.
Good
evening, good day, whatever it may be.
Yes, whatever time in your zone. Good evening. Yes, we're out here. We're tired, but we'll come see about you guys.
Yes.
Yes?
We haven't forgotten about you.
We haven't
promised.
We haven't forgotten. We're here. Come on in. Maureen, good night. Andrea, good night, Andrea. How you doing? Lorna, how you doing, Lorna? Anita. Veronica.
Big up everybody.
Big up everybody. Yes, man. It's so good.
Donna Johnson.
Donna, good night,
good
Donna.
Good evening to you too.
Good evening. Sandy K. Blessings to you, Queen. How you doing? Michelle Walters. Good night. Good night. We have some stuff to go over tonight.
Yes.
We have quite a bit. Yes. Some surprises and stuff. Yes.
Yeah.
So
Rochelle,
Gillette, walk on, Queen. How you doing?
Phyllis,
good night.
Jan,
good night. Jean, good night. Donna Johnson. How you doing, Queen? How you doing? Yvette. Pamela. Scott. How you doing? Been listening to you guys on Auntie. Oh, Auntie Depan Live.
Pauline.
Auntie Depan Live. Okay. Yeah, man, listen to Auntie. And we at the same time. Thank you. Yes, Justice.
I said we missed a couple.
I think we missed a couple, but hopefully you'll come back around.
Tonight is called Hot Topics. Okay.
Oh, hot topics where? Over Auntie? Yeah? Audrey, how you doing? Some of them miss we and gone. Lord, it a fly now. Sharon, good night. Good night. So yes, guys, we're on tonight to go over a few things. Yeah, first thing first. Let me refresh this. Hold on, let me refresh this so I can see. Yeah, see the comment them better. Hold on there. Sharnette, Wagwan. Judy, good night. Yes. Janelle, how you doing? Joan. How you doing? June, how you doing? Yes, guys.
Joan and June.
Joan and June, yeah. Joan and June, rhyming. Natasha, how you doing? So yes, guys, we have a few things that we're on here to go over.
Yes.
And the first one, you know, there's this cake review. I just saw it yesterday. I think it was yesterday. I'm gonna give my 2 cents in that.
I saw it today.
You saw it today?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna give my 2 cents because you know that everybody has their own opinion on things. We're not knocking anybody's opinion. We're just here to give what appears to us to be factual. Doesn't mean it's gonna be everybody's facts. You understand? Never.
You might not agree with us.
Yeah, but I'm gonna just say it as I see it. no sugar coating. You know, people think they can come out here and give their opinion and nobody else should. That's social media for you guys. I don't care who's gonna come after us and curse us out. Cursing hasn't done anything to our lives this far, and I don't think it will moving forward.
No.
I'm here to speak the truth and only the truth. Yes, people are gonna say that I'm biased, but I've already stated that from day one. If you're watching us from day one, I came out here. I said you will think I'm biased when it comes to Auntie Donna, because I'm the type of person like this. If I respect a person, and hold that person I regards, and if that person does something that I don't agree with, and I have that person's personal information, I don't think it's social media's business for me to come out here and let everybody knows that I disagree with something she does. If I disagree with something she does, she's the only person who can actually fix it. So I'm the type of person like that. I'm going to reach out to the source, reach out to her behind closed door, and express, you know, whatever it is that I'm feeling. I just think that good relationships are built that way. It's not that I'm kissing up, but that's the same respect I would want her to have for me. So whatever respect I want someone to have for me, that's the same respect I'm gonna give that person. So people are gonna call it bias, and that's fine with me, because when it comes to Auntie, everybody know it's a it's a clear cut path with me. I don't hide it. I don't try to deny it.
No, sugarcoat
I'm
it.
gonna sugarcoat it. Is somebody that I love, somebody that I care, I respect. I love what she does, and I will always continue to love and support her. In my eyes, I haven't seen her done anything that would warrant me to think any other way. I've met her in person, so I know who I'm talking about, right? So if people want to call me biased, me hear that enough. If people want to cuss me out, them cuss me enough. Couple more cussing, not gonna do nothing. Still I gotta have a Merry Christmas and a wonderful
Happy New Year.
And a Happy New Year, if God spare my life.
Yep.
He's the only one who has my life in his hands, right? Yes. He's the only one that I kneel and pray to at night. He's the only one. He's my source. Yes. So I'm gonna say this, and I'm saying it. I'm coming from a business person perspective. Okay. All right. When I watch that review, first of all, I could just tell that this was targeted not so much to Auntie Donna, but to the plankers, because when this lady give the review, she kept saying, "Planker, uno no come for me, uno no come for me, planker. Me I gotta give me honest review, uno no come for me." So right then and there, she wanted the attention of the plankers. All right, and what me notice on social media, a lot of people blame everything on the plankers. Yes? Good. Mostly bad. Everything
bad. Yes.
Planker.
Everything negative is the planker.
Planker. Them all right with the plankers, them when them build up them numbers and build up them platform, and once they get it to certain levels, them turn around and them cuss the plankers. Everything is the plankers. Anybody can pose to be a planker, and it's facts. It's a planker. You understand? So the first thing I noticed that she already knew what she was gonna say about this cake.
Before tasting it.
Before even tasting it.
Yeah.
The body language, the attitude, all of that told me that this was not gonna be a fair review. Don't get me wrong. Auntie is not immune to someone criticizing our cake. We all have different taste buds or palates. Nobody now say you have to like auntie cake. And if you not like auntie cake, we are gonna nail you to the cross. But them call with the dunce and them call and them the illiterate. But we are actually smart. We can see through people. Yes? We can see through people, and that's exactly what happened here. Right? First of all, you're going to say the cake is too small. It looks like a cupcake, right? And you want back your money. This are even before you're going to want back your money. This are even before you even try the damn cake.
Okay, so with that being said, my question is, how big did you expect a 1 pound cake to be?
Right.
That's my question.
I did try to find my scale because I have a scale somewhere about the place, but I couldn't find it. To come weigh out a pound or something and show people what a pound or something look like. A pound is not huge, okay? And if you did want a big ass cake, you come, if you want a roti cake, you come and order it from Master Baker, where she could have pressed out the damn cake and make it big and broad. But an auntie cake, you got order. First thing first, you don't, right? You don't put your hat where you cannot reach it. You understand? Because it's everybody make them prices, right? If you can't afford something, stay away from it. That's a number one. Yes. Because you got Louis Vuitton store, you can't call down, you can't ball down the price. You understand? Now, how many times, right? We see things online, all right? We're going to use our Fashion Nova, just a regular store where we know a lot of people shop. How much time you got Fashion Nova and you might order a shirt with large. And you wear a size large, and when the shirt come, it's either too big or it's too small. Right? Do we come on here and we blast Fashion Nova? No. That's why them give review and say these, you read the review, and then people might say in the review, say, these run large guys, you might want to size down. Right? Things are gonna appear online sometimes different from how it look in real. Like the size, for example.
The color,
for example. Because we own stores and we might post like a red top, right? And somebody purchase it and then they reach out to it and say, you know what, I think it was it looked like a brighter red. You understand? And when I got it, it's a darker red. That wasn't the red I was expecting.
And the lighting has something to do with it.
Yeah, and the lighting has something to do with it. We explained to them, well, the lighting has something to do with it. That is a constructive criticism right there. The person will call and say, Lord, many things say, you know, it was bright red, and now I'm get you in the dark red, You know, people know that things can appear to be slightly different. You understand?
I'll use myself as an example. I bought a suitcase online, and when I bought the suitcase, it appeared to be bigger. So when I bought it and it came, it was smaller. I'm not going to call the store and cuss them out because I got the suitcase and it's not as big as I wanted it.
No, but the thing about it, she told you how much pound the damn thing weighed.
That's it.
And from it weigh what she said, it all weigh, then it shouldn't be a problem.
No.
You understand? There's no problem right there. Yes, but she came out with some underlying agenda. I picked up on it. First of all, if the cake not tastes good, why the hell you gonna lick off the knife? If something not tastes good to me, there's no way I gonna lick off the knife and continue eating and talking up the most things.
But my question is, if she obviously made up her mind from the very beginning, because she said, if it doesn't taste good, I want a refund.
If it not tastes good, look upon a packaging. This can't share for me and my family. Plankers, Everything.
Everything are
Plankers. Unona bada come for me in a plankers. You understand? What is have to do with the plankers if you're out here to give an honest review to let Auntie know whether or not you like the cake? If you had came out and you said, you know, okay, this is not, you know, what I expected. You know, everybody have different taste buds, and you know, maybe expect a little bit more rum. You understand? You know, maybe I don't like the I expected the texture to be different, but you know, everybody enjoy different things. But personally, for me, guys, this is just not my thing. That would have been taken a different way.
Okay, but my next question is, if you didn't like it, why'd you eat so much of it?
Yes, you're nearly done.
Each different, because you got a mixy. You tried one, you kept eating it. Even though you say you didn't like it, but you kept eating it. You tried the next slice, you kept eating it.
This was just to put a cloud over the lady's business with her cake, and that is wrong. There is a way of doing things, and that wasn't it. That was not an honest review.
No.
We're not saying you have to like everything Auntie made. It is impossible for everybody to love our cake. You understand? No matter what business you do, not everybody, the whole world, not gonna just love it.
No.
Somebody are gonna find something about it that they're not pleased with. You understand? But it is in the manner in which she came out, like she purposely come out, yes, with an agenda.
Yes.
For our review go viral. You understand? For the planker them come after her. You understand? Yeah, that's what I read in the whole thing. Yes. She lie about the whole thing. Me not believe nothing what she said. Nothing, because once you start out a certain way, you understand, and we know there's an ulterior motive behind it, then what everything else will follow behind that is just garbage. It's totally garbage. Yes, you're an attention seeker.
That's exactly
exactly what it is. You're an attention seeker. And because on a no, Planka them Auntie have the biggest platform, yes, in the Jamaican diaspora, Facebook, everything everything on go against the Planka. Everything is me notice that. A lot of times too, with people, it's all good when they're starting out. Okay, they're a part of the plankers. And once they get to where they want to be, now the planker them are germs, the planker them are rubbish, the planker them are shit, the planker them this, the planker them that. And that is so freaking wrong. When Auntie did over there, I call up them name and I highlight them, everything was fine and dandy. Everything was fine and dandy. No, nothing, crickets. You understand? But once they feel like they have arrived, then all of a sudden the plankers them are the worst people on social media. When them want them to come buy them things, them are the best people. Me I talk the truth.
Yep.
When they want them to buy them things and support whatever them have going on, them are the best things since sliced bread.
True.
But once they're starting to learn and see how people treat Auntie and pull back, yeah, them are the worst people on social media. So, one must get up every day and cuss this lady, class her, yes, talk all type of vile things about her, and the people them that love her and respect her and should just sit and support her, should just sit in a corner and not say anything.
And be all right.
Do you all supporters do that? Let me ask. Me know me all over the place, but these are just things that me observe now, and that's need to be said. It's terrible. You know? Trying to paint the woman business, you business now as okay, our cakes them is this and their cakes them they're too expensive. And to put out the price them out there. If you can't afford it, leave it.
You knew how much the price was before you bought it. So why'd you buy it if you couldn't afford it?
Yes, you can't want sugar and water. You can't have sugar and water budget and want friggin' champagne. Nothing no go, sir.
What food store can you go to and ask them, say, oh, I'm sorry, my groceries are too expensive. Can I give you, I only have $100. Can I just give you $100 and it costs $150? No, you can't.
Cloud Sherlock. Cloud she looking after the plankers them. That's an offer done anti-cakes. And that is so wrong. Why do we do this to each other all the time? You understand? Not even my worst enemy panya. Me nah go get up and go buy her cake. I'm not doing it. Me not taste no girl cake what me not like. Me not spend my good up money and buy nobody cake just to sit down and criticize it. Me not go that far.
No.
Yeah. Me look pan the internet and tell you what me think about it.
Right.
You understand? But I'm not doing that. It's wrong. It is so wrong. And another thing too. A blood run through our vein and through our body. These people get up day in and day out and beat down this woman. Me know she said no come out here come. And I'm not out here fighting for her. I'm speaking facts.
365 days a year.
365 days a year.
366 on leap year.
Yes. And them go up under her, them nail our kids them to the cross. Them go up under her. Them go in our bedroom. Them go in our panty. Them go in our brassiere. And this woman never get up and do this and do the same thing.
She ignored. Some more.
So when she come out and say something, I don't understand why some people think say them a God for come out here and want to reprimand her. It's easy to say don't pay attention and ignore and all of that when you're not in the person's shoes. You understand? When you're not in the person's shoes, you're a human being. And sometimes
enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
You have to say, I can't. You get to the point you say, I can't take it anymore. You have to reply.
And the thing about it, she just made a general statement and bust up everybody's head. Yes. You understand? And
yes,
they can't handle it.
No.
But she must handle them cussing her 365 days of the year. Tell me.
Left, right, and center.
Left, right, and center. Tell me how is that fair?
Well, when she
and because
it's a problem.
And because she have a business.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
She should, and because she have, all these things going on for her, she should just pretend like she make out a stone while everybody else make out of flesh. Not no gossip. Not no gossip.
And she's ignored a lot. She has ignored a lot.
Absolutely.
So when she does come respond, she's reached her breaking point. She can't take it anymore. She just clap back and move on.
Exactly.
She doesn't get up and talk about it every day.
Yes. But these people sit down and they try to plot and come at this one woman constantly at all times. And then she shouldn't have anybody in her corner, such as myself or Vanilla or other people out there, good people that that stand up for her. Yeah. Because we're looking for clout. We're looking for something. I don't understand what they mean by clout or whatever it is they're talking about.
I don't either.
You understand? But you have to have good versus evil. You can't just have evil all the time running all over the place and saying whatever it is them want to say, and nobody shouldn't come out and talk on her behalf or talk in defense of the facts. I don't, nobody not gonna stop me
That's
from
not
talking.
gonna happen. We're gonna continue to talk.
Anybody wants to say me live in our ass, me telling her, yes, me live right up in a cracker our ass. Yes, right up there. Whatever one else wants say me want from her, yes, me want it from. Yes, what we want from Auntie? We want our house, want our furniture there.
Want our house, want our
we want everything. We want all the perfume them.
Want our gazebo.
Yeah, man, want the gazebo. We want some of our drawers, whatever. Yeah. Yes, I eat where I work. Yeah. Yes, I eat. Whatever I say. You understand? Somebody have to stand for something. And you have these people who think they're just so self-righteous. And it's always coming out, reprimanding her when she might say one thing. It's this right. Who the hell on a thing gonna is?
One word.
What a thing gonna is?
One word up.
Go look who found a pick me and reprimand. Go look for a man and reprimand. Because everybody no live pan the way them live pan this woman. Somebody might cuss on one or two times and move on. This woman get cussed every freaking day. Day in and day out on social media. I wanna fuck. Yes. Whatever I think we want one our brazier. Me want one our brazier. Me not no brazier. I eat me a work for 4 years. One brazier. Where you work for?
No, I guess I'm working for the perfume.
You want the perfume then? Yes, I eat where I work for. Now it's clear. We got that pan lock. And that's where out here work for. That's why we love her. And that.
Yeah.
Dumb ass people. We don't always get up and try to pull down on our own people. All the damn time. How much time wanna get up and go buy KFC and wanna bite in a rotted leg, blood in there, and wanna sit down and near me part them with fries same way and no come out, can't say nothing.
Well, go back up to the counter and tell them say blood in there, you don't want it. After you don't eat half of it out.
You chew up all the bone with the damn blood that sprout in your damn mouth. And you come out, you come say nothing. You want to empty the whole area and Jerry and nephew and one pound cake?
A drunk, you want to get drunk off of the 1 pound cake?
One little cake, She didn't make her cake for no alcoholic, And then it's just so convenient that you had a slice of cheese sitting right there.
Oh, yeah.
To describe the cake as a bulla. Ain't that genius, Who does that? In reviewing a cake, Yeah?
You had an ulterior motive with
a
piece of cheese.
Admin and a bobblehead come over here, block them clots. Coming in on a plane tonight. Block them out. Yes. They say a planker we want. We have enough planker. Fire. Block out you. Dopey them. Yes.
We love no planker.
How much time am I gonna say that? A planker they want. I ride for anti-coat here. No. We're tired for hear that foolishness. Get lost. Get lost. Fling a big stone in the head tonight. No ramping round here. We're tired of no. Drop up the biggest stone you can find, admin. Drop in the head tonight.
Woof.
Yes. One of her. What Uno can tap we from lifting up a queen? Yeah? Uno can tap we from straightening our crown? I want her. Yes. One out in the on one side, one on the other side, and she in the middle. I want her. Yes. And if I go hate me.
We'll be our bodyguards, yeah?
Yes, if I hate me till the end of time. Hate me till the end of time.
We'll take it.
Them are two somebody who will never hear pan a voice note. A chat about with auntie. Never. As long as with the pan hurt. One of her. Yeah? Chat about. I want of her. One of her. One of her. When she go down, we go down too. We go down too. We go right down there too.
Yep.
I think we're afraid of nobody and we're going to back down. We're not going to tell us we want this and we want that. That's why we are doing. No. No. We see what she endure. Day in and day out. We see what she endure. So endure. So if she fire fling one little stone, fling it, bust up head. More 10 are the cheap and clean cake them. 10 of them, auntie. 10 of them figure way. 10 we say figure way.
Cheap and clean we say.
Yes. Figure way. Turn up in a lot. Turn up and me fling them pound on. Wonderful.
10 we say.
So he said. And the thing said, we're not going to call we down and we're going to come out and what? Come out and what? Come out and what? We're not going to go up under me. We're not going to tell me about my husband. We're not going to tell me what you know about me. I'm going to surrender and come out here and start say, me not dip on my hand side. Wall on the bread.
Keep holding.
Chocolate say wall on the bread. Don't breathe. Wait for it. Yes. Wait pan it. Wait.
Keep holding your breath.
Don't you breathe. When you bring me pound of vlog and want to trace me and the people them in no comment, come for me after this video. Don't you breathe. Sit down and see if me not gonna have a Merry Christmas and a awesome New Year.
Happy New Year.
Sit down. Sit down and see if anything I got change. Call me big, call me sour. There's nothing. What from all the things that you call for me auntie and she still alive. You don't think nothing gonna move me. Me still a go live.
Still.
Yeah. Still a live.
Yep.
You're not too terrible. The woman of Jamaica a beat on a bad. Left, right and center. And me sit down over here and smile.
Cheer her on.
And sometimes we pour out some champagne and toast. When we watch her, sometimes we not even comment. We just toast. When we see bag of people, them go pick up all the cake. Vanilla and I just click with glass and toast. And I go and sit and rat away with bad mind. Madam auntie!
Boxes and boxes of
Madam, me say.
Yes.
Yes, send the whole of them a Bellevue.
Yes.
Madam. And this a girl and a answer and everything me look pan. And everything me look pan. Yeah. You could have cussed me till Jerusalem there. I ain't looking. Because I know when I sit down here, I talk about a facts. And when I see class up a woman kids them.
Her mother.
Her mother. Her leg them big like what? And I forgot to talk how big our bank account is. Yeah. When I talk about how big anything is, don't left out the account. Yeah. Not left out the account. Make sure when I put that on the hand. When I say everything big, don't you forget the account. Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Don't you forget it. Oh no, come. Tired of uno. Sometimes I feel shame for say me come from this. Me love my country to my heart and soul. And sometimes I make me feel so shame. Embarrassed when know say we come from the same country. Yeah? If people them want me know and hang out with. Sometimes me even embarrassed because vanilla white and me black and me say boy my people them can't do better. Sometimes me embarrassed about that as me sit down here and my other white friends them because me never see them operate them way yeah when me see from them people yeah on social media as me sit down here and gather me witness. Sometimes me embarrassed even though me know vanilla know what go on in a, in my culture. But sometimes I feel embarrassed because me not see fear people them hack them way. And I God honest truth me talk. God honest truth me talk. And I love my people them, but you not embarrass me. And there's an embarrassment. Some of you, if me ever see you in a real life, on a dip on my side of the street, me cross over.
True.
Cross over. Yes. And I got cuss me and say, you're not better than me chocolate and this, me better than you. Because I hate not enough for me art to people who are progress. Yes. I'm in a bad mind people, so I'm better than you. Me will lift up a queen if me say she a fall down. So I'm better than you. Me not talk about people who come fast with me. You understand? There's a difference. So I'm better than you. Me come to America, me work for my own. I'm a progressive woman. So I'm better than you.
Sure.
Me make use of the visa when me get. So I'm better than you. So come. Come. Yes. Now walk around. And because a woman out there in my country where the well, me sit down and bad mind. Some bad mind her when me never meet in my life. Or even if me met her in my life, she had never done anything to me. But me just get up and hate her.
For what?
For what? Me better than you. She talked about me on her platform. And I said over and over, people came over and follow us because she mentioned us. I can sit here and say I'm grateful for that.
We are grateful.
I am better than you.
We are grateful.
And it takes nothing off of me to say that. And I'm not kissing ass, but I am a grateful person. When someone does something for me, I remember. So I am better than you. I can appreciate that she has a big platform and a lot of people love and support her. And I feel happy in my heart for her. And not hate her for that. So I am better than you.
Better than you.
I know that there are other people out here that support her besides Vanilla and I and in our corner. And I'm happy that she has those people. I don't turn around and curse them and say it's because they're looking for clout. I'm better than you. And if I two people on the live tonight, me sit down here and say the same exact thing. Yeah. And it's not all plankers. Most plankers are good, supportive people. Because when auntie talk, I remember, not so much these days because them learn. Because sometimes I used to say, when them are going to learn? Remember when auntie have to do a hop in her mouth and say go support the one there and then bombard the people them with support. Yeah. But them learn now. So some of them just want to ride per auntie coattail till them gets to where them want to be. Then them said one, turn round
And cuss her.
and cuss her for content.
And class her.
And go on like she never, ever do nothing for them.
True. Ungrateful.
But those are the plankers we know. Yeah? Not all planker like way, and not all planker affe like way. Not all we kings and queens are gonna like other people on other platform. We know the reality of life. And not all people on other people platform are gonna like chocolate and vanilla. True. It's fine, but me no affe come and dip upon the people because them supporter no support me. No, I don't have to do that. People have choices. And you can't be everybody's cup of tea.
It's not going to happen.
Not going to happen.
Not going to happen.
But one thing me know. Sam, me will never be ungrateful to anybody. You could have given me a pin. Me I can remember that pin. Because I needed that pin to do something. And you gave me the pin. You understand? Yes, she called her name over there. And people, if I even told, somebody came over. Because they heard her name. And follow away. But some of you can never, ever admit that. Some better than you. Miss sister. Yes. Users. And I know there are people out here, right, that genuinely love Auntie and say negative things about her, all in the name of being upset. Because you can know when some people are curse her and it'll come from a place of hatefulness versus somebody that just might be annoyed with something she did.
Or hurt.
You understand? You know the difference with that. But me's the type of person like this. When me like somebody, and you diss my auntie, me in my feelings. Me go in my feelings though. Yeah, man. Me not grow on a cat. Sure. Me go in my feelings. You know what I mean? So me go unfollow you, but me go skip some live with you. Maybe. Because I don't like how you come at my auntie. You understand?
More than one, too.
You understand? Me don't like it. Give me some time, me might circle back. Yes, me don't like it because me don't look for you come at her like that. You understand? So me not grow on the corner. Me get in my feelings about that. You understand? When somebody says something to somebody where you care for and you have some great respect and you think the person don't really deserve that, I get in my feelings. And that means I may hate you automatically. Because you talk about my auntie. I mean, in my feelings. I hate you. You understand? I hate you. But me in my feelings. Give a girl some time. Yeah. You understand? Now if you go too far, when a girl leave, she leave. Ain't no coming back. She just
gone.
You don't exist no more. You understand? You're done. Bye-bye. You're still alive.
Baby.
Baby, no say you're still alive. You understand? You keep it 100. Yeah. You're still about? Okay. All right. You see plan? Yeah. Yeah. A girl bounce. A girl pick up her things and bounce. A girl pick up her follower and bounce. Yeah. Tell about you come at her. You see plan? Yes, man.
And when you keep coming.
Yeah, I'm pack up my shit then. Yeah.
I'm gone.
I'm gone. Yeah. Bye-bye. Yeah. Yes. Done. So I think said. Saiga. Yeah. Saiga. See him, sir. Yes, man. So, guys. We don't talk about that. You only power no come over here. I don't want to hear chocolate gospel. So I want to put me up tomorrow. Or Monday. And class me. I make them follow a class me. Who are going to do it first? Who I first one I going to do it? Who are going to record this and do it? we're gonna laugh if we happen for buck into it. You understand?
True.
Yeah. Go on, make your
Cheers
money.
some more as
Go on,
we
make
see,
your money.
cheers some more as we see the cakes and leaving from auntie.
This auntie and be like them, yeah. Good. Yeah. Yeah, man, the classroom full over here. Yeah. Yes, man, we kick off. Well, we already kick it off. But tonight we have a giveaway for the Christmas. Alright? This one is, yeah, make them go on, make it start drop though. They got review with them screen recording of. Come for me, you know. Oh, no, come for me, all I no want. Come. Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of age. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord. Yes. No, go on. Still wanting at the cheap and clean cakes. Figure to my nice and clean kings and queens. At Jamaica.
Well, good up.
The land of my birth. Yes. Still want 10 of them, auntie. So if you're hearing this, give your girl a call. 10 of them I want, auntie. Yes.
Please.
Straight up.
Please.
And I want one of the bigger deal for my Christmas table. You understand me? Yeah. All right. Yeah, to big up yourself every time. So, we have our first stop on our Christmas giveaway. It's gonna be from Opal's Kitchen. It is gonna be a fried fish platter. Comes with Festival. It is valued at $120. That's what we're gonna give away tonight. In addition to a whole bunch of stuff lying off this wall right over here tonight. Yes. So, you have the phone ready?
Right here.
All right. If you would like to win this platter, this fried fish platter from Opal's Kitchen for your Christmas, she's blocked out from the 20th of December to the end of December. So you will have to get it before the 20th of this month. By the way, it is my birthday month. Yes. So, are you ready?
Ready.
Our first support goes to Miss Opal Harper Jackson.
Opal's Kitchen.
Opal's Kitchen. It's a fried fish platter.
Festival.
With Festival. All right.
Happy birthday to everybody with a birthday.
Happy birthday to everybody that shares December with me. Happy birthday. What not give me for my birthday? What not give me for my birthday? Oh, God. You know, I've never gotten a birthday gift being on here. Never.
No.
Ever. I'm curious as to what I would get for a birthday gift. If people know me. I don't think they know me. Yeah. Oh, gosh. Anyways, so there's going to be the best month ever. That's true. That's
your opinion.
Okay, Miss June.
That's your opinion.
Don't be a hater.
I'm not being a hater.
I
said it's your opinion.
It's the day before Christmas. That's my birthday. The 24th. I'm a Christmas Eve baby. Yes? And that's why me used to love Grand Market. So, geez, I don't know. I still do. Yes. All right. So, the question in order to win this platter from Opal, you know, you're probably going to have to be in the United States because this is food.
Right.
And she's going to have to ship it to you. So, yeah. So the question for to win this platter tonight, I want the first person to call in and tell us give us the names of the people we supported for the 7 days of Christmas.
Cakemas.
7 days of Cakemas last year.
Yes.
We supported 7 people by buying cakes from them last year. In celebration of our 7 days of Cakemas. So we gave away 7 cakes last year. So if you could call us and tell us who those 7 people
that we supported,
that we bought cakes from last year for 7 days of Christmas, you will be the winner of a fry fish platter from Opal's Kitchen, value at $120.
yes.
Yes. So, the phone lines are open.
The number's pinned.
The number's pinned.
Let me put it in there again.
And we have some other great giveaways over there on that wall that we're going to pull. All right. So, the number is pinned.
I just put it in the comments again.
It's a fried fish platter. You'll get some delicious fried fish with some festival to be on your table for this holiday season. All right? The phone number's pinned. Time waits on no man. We love, well, not vanilla, but my husband and I, we love some fried fish around here.
Yeah, you can have it. I'll take the festival, but you can have the fish. You can have the
Kingston 13, did you get your cake from Master Baker?
It was shipped.
It was shipped. The
tracking
PO
number was sent.
Yes, the PO Box 13, Lot 13, House 13 in Curacao. So, you should get your cake by now, 13. Don't come by you come lie say you not get your cake. We get the alert say it was delivered. Master Baker says she get the alert that it was delivered. All right, somebody a call. Hello.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night. Hi. Do you have the answer?
Is it Miss Lothian and Auntie Donna?
There were
seven.
7 people.
You have to have all 7.
You gotta have all 7 people. There were 7 people that we supported last year that we bought cakes from. You gotta have all 7, honey. All right? All right, you're welcome. All right, get 7. 7 people. If you watch us last year, we had 7 days of Cakemas where we gave away 7 cakes. Well, it was actually more than 7.
It was more than 7.
Because we bought more than, we bought more than one from some of these people.
Yep.
If you can name the 7 people
that we supported,
you will be the winner of a fry fish platter from Opal's Kitchen, valued at $120 tonight. Yes, Kingston 13. Don't you remember who? You don't want fried fish, you go with your cake. Now make Master Baker take your hand tonight, 13. You should have known. I should have known the answer to them. Yeah. We are going to move on, We're not going to stay all night. What will we do? We will circle back again. You understand? Yes. Because we have a lot of things to do. For the people that are on the waiting list for the slides, we're still working on those. God, just give me a little. Yes. Just give me a little time, please.
Be patient.
It's crazy. I don't even know if I'm going to have time to put up my Christmas tree. That is how busy. I am. Me don't know if me gonna decorate for Christmas this year. Me look on the tree in the garage and I'm like, oh God, no. I don't know. So now give me some time. The next
You
stop,
don't have to be in Florida. You just have to be in the U.S.
you just have to be in the U.S. You don't have to be in Florida, but you gotta be in the U.S. because this is perishable food. You understand? Yes. You don't want to get some stale fish. You understand? No, you want the fish them to come nice. Nice.
You don't have to be in Florida.
You don't have to
anywhere in the
be
U.S.
anywhere in the United States of America. You could even be across the border over in Canada. You know, if we have to drop a little bit more upon the shipping, and she can overnight it. Oh, well, me don't know. Me don't want to say what me don't know. Me only talk about the shipping in the United States. That's what we talk about, yeah. But our next stop is gonna be at Dimes store, Dimes Million. That's gonna be the next stop. And you go over there, you go either on our website or when she does her live, you see something that you like and you want it, we'll get it for you. The next stop is gonna be after Dimes, it's gonna be at Jamrock Goodies.
Jamrock Goodies.
All right. Me know una wait on the
And
planka.
say then no 5.
Una know una wait on the planka boss night. Get to know. Me know una wait on it, man. But we're not telling no. We just come just like how we come tonight. Yeah, man. We know. Una have 5. We need 7. 7 of them. 7 of them we need. When we come back,
What we did
we're not
last
going to spend
year.
it all night.
Yep.
Also, the stop that we're in the United States. For people that's watching us, they know that we travel when we do these giveaways. We travel to Canada. We travel to Jamaica. We travel to different places. Not literally. We just go to different places for our supporters. So right now we're still in the United States. Right? We did Jamaica. We did some Jamaica. We did some Jamaica with the United States.
We did Trinidad and Tobago.
We did Trinidad and Tobago, and we did Canada.
Yes, we did.
But right now we're kind of stuck in the United States tonight, right? Because these that we're going to offer tonight, if you're outside the United States, you're going to have to pay for shipping for these. Because we have quite a lot. Yes? And a lot of shipping. Yes, we can't. If you're outside of... We don't see no call. We don't call the wrong number.
That's pin.
Call the number with pin. Me not see no caller come in. Now the phone the right here, so we look on. If you don't watch, and there's, say for example, they're Canada, and I love our show, and I want one of them, if you can pay for the shipping, we'll send it to you. But right now, shipping is a lot. We just ship a whole bunch of stuff to Jamaica. Yeah? And by the way, Jamaica people, on the clocks them reach, they call and said this week, they go, sometime this week, they should go and clear the barrels. Yeah, they're going to call them to come pick up the barrels sometime this week. Yeah?
China, welcome.
Welcome to all the new. Oh, you got a king. We got a king from China.
Yes, big up yourself.
Welcome. Thank you for joining us. Hopefully you can understand the words that are coming out of my mouth. Yes. Because I go in English, then they would jump in a patois, and sometimes we just twist up a patois and the English in a one. I'm in here. All right, let's move on. Since we're not getting a phone call because them don't know the 7 people them, we're going to circle back. The 120 not bite with.
No.
You sit down right here, sir. We're going to move on. And these are some stuff from our store, guys.
I just took it out of the bag.
Show them vanilla because we're not able to find you. You understand? Show them the tag too. Yes. Make sure them can see. You're all the way over there so they're not seeing.
Here's a tag.
Here's a tag.
Tag still on it.
This is a fleece. Vanilla as one of them. Put it up. Yes, these are fleece for the winter time. Cold
nice
time.
and warm.
Nice. It is so nice and fluffy. Fluffy. So we have these fleece.
Here's a tag.
Yep.
Oh,
somebody a call. Then go study and I come back. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Hey, good night, darling.
Good night. We're good. How are you, beautiful queen?
I am great.
You got the 7 people for me?
Oh, yes, I do.
Mm-hmm. Who are they?
The first one, I have Miss Lucian,
Uh-huh.
Rose Kitty,
Uh-huh.
Your Majesty,
Uh-huh.
Auntie Jen,
Uh-huh.
Michael Boss, Nana Lynn, and Miss Princess.
OMG! You can study, you can study, you can study, you can study. Yes, we got a winner. Who am I speaking to?
Sister,
Tessan, are you so pretty on my phone?
yes, my darling.
Oh, this is Tessan at the phone. Oh, I'm so excited. You know, bluff. Oh, I'm so excited. How are you? Beautiful art, beautiful face, beautiful spirit. You're good?
Yes.
All right. So you're the winner, and can we reach out to you on this number that you're calling from to tell you how to go about getting your gift?
Yes, you can. If you don't, you can leave a message because I'm maybe at work.
Okay.
All right.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Oh,
Yay!
we're so excited.
Me too.
All right. Stay blessed, Queen. Have a wonderful night.
Pick up yourself, Queen.
I'm here.
Love
All
you.
right.
Thank you.
All right.
We got a winner,
Yay,
Tessan Blanca.
Tessan.
Oh, I'm so excited. Tessan Blanca is our winner of that platter. See, she remembered.
She remembered all 7.
All
she
7.
got it right. Yes.
So yes, guys, this is how it's going to work. If you want one of these here in the United States, these are so soft and nice from our store, right? We discontinued these. We're bringing in new stuff for the winter. So
And it has a zip.
has a zipper, yes, and these are very nice. Oh, vanilla has one.
It's very warm.
Yes. So we have what size vanilla?
We have a 2X.
We got a 2X here.
Hold on.
Just show them in the plastic, cause
Yeah.
show them in the plastic.
3X.
This is a 3X. 1, 2.
Hold on. This is a 3X.
We have 2 3Xs. Remember, our store is for plus size, ladies. But we have a 1X here, and that's the size that actually fits vanilla.
1X.
So if you're smaller, on the smaller side, this one fits vanilla, which is a 1X.
Yeah.
All right? There they are. All you got to do is be the first person to send us a picture, screenshot, send it to us, and tell us you want, yes, just screenshot a picture
And
of
tell
this
us the size.
And tell us the size.
Yeah.
All right?
First come, first serve.
First come, first serve. All right? These ain't no cheapies either.
No.
All right? These, wait till you get them. Oh, I want, you know, I should have kept one vanilla. For myself, I have too much damn clothes. It's a damn shame. Okay, what's the next thing? All right, here we go. We have this person. Don't take this out, please. Not yet. Yeah, I want this, the one that's individually.
Okay.
That's in the individual bag.
Okay.
We have somebody sent a picture.
Okay.
Okay. Pictures are coming in, by the way. We have this, and I'll show you how it looks in a minute. But this, we're going to send this to a special supporter. We know she lives in New York, and she's been watching us since day one when we started out do on social media. And we told her when we were at like 14, 10 people watching us, we told her that we will never forget you no matter how big we've grown, or even if we're on social media, if we're not on social media anymore. We will always remember you. Because she is so supportive. She's such an amazing woman. I wanted to meet her this past Thanksgiving, but time just did not allow me while I was in New York. And I want to take this one and send it to her. Her name is Jennifer Foster. So Jennifer Foster, if you're watching tonight, I don't have your personal number. That's why I'm doing it on here. We would love to gift you with this. It's what they call a shawl.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can open it now because we have a few more, but we reserved this one for you. All right. So reach out to us, please. We would love to send this to you as a Christmas gift. All right. We told her we will never forget her. And we promise you that. Yes.
Okay, so it has a hood.
It has a hoodie, and it's like one size fits.
Yes.
Anybody. It has a button, right? It has a thing right here, right? And it has a hoodie. It's very warm.
We have 2 of those.
We have 2 of them. So besides Jennifer, you be the first person to screenshot this. We will send you one, all right? These are badass. When you dress up in these and you're going like through the airport in your shades. Oh, yes, honey. Oh, yes, honey. Yes. Okay. All right, so put the back. This is another one in the back. Yes, honey. Yes. All right. We get into some good stuff. So the screenshots are coming in. Yes, they're rolling in. I love that. I love that. Good luck to you all. All right.
This is a dress.
This is a winter dress. And it has
a hood.
It has the hood.
It has shoulder cutouts.
Cutouts. Yes. Has the hoodie. You got to hold it down, Vanilla, so they can see it right here. It's red. It's perfect for the Christmas, right? Like Christmas dinner, the day of Christmas, if you're home with your family or whatever, it's cut out. Yeah? Very cute. I wish you could have get up and model them for you, but girlfriend too tired right now. Yes, these are all brand new stuff, like I said, all with tags from our store.
1X, 2X, and 3X.
1X, 2X, and 3X in these. All right, so now we have some sets going on right here. Be the first to screenshot and say, I want one of those. We'll send them. The phone's blowing up. I love that. These are jogging suits. You may have seen Vanilla and I. Is this the one we came on live in? No. We have the ones we came on live with. You can see brand new in the plastic. Let me open it and show. Oh, you open one.
I'm opening the pants.
Okay. All right, this is the pants with the stripe, and it has the little fur on the side of it right here.
On both sides?
On both sides. This is the leg of it. Yes. Really cute. This is the bottom of the joggers, jogging suit. They call them joggers.
Yes.
Can we see the top?
You have the top.
Oh, it was the top you gave me. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, so they come in separate. Okay, I forgot that they come in 2 separate packaging. All right. Here is the top of it. Take it out of the paper. Ooh, this little thing fell out. You know the thing them put in there to make it close. Yeah. See, this is the jacket to it. Bring it up close, you can see. This is the jacket to it. This is the arm, matches. Yes? And it's kind of like a crop top kind of jacket. but it reaches you far enough if you don't want to show your stomach. You understand? If you don't want to do the belly skin kind of thing. Yeah, because I have one. So we have this in black.
We have it in 1X, 2X, and 3X.
1, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
And like I said, the 1 fits someone vanilla size. Or a little bit more body than vanilla. Yeah, if you want it fitted. Okay. So, pictures. Just pictures. No phone call. Just screenshot. You just got to be good at the screenshot.
The same thing, except in a pink.
This is the same thing as the black and white. But it's in this beautiful dusty rose.
Yeah.
See? I don't want to pull it out of the bag. Or let me pull it because I know you guys like looking at stuff. So let's pull it out. This is the legging, the jogger's bottom, the bottom. It has the fur on the side. See the side? Yes. This is the waist of it. Yes. All right.
We only have this in 2X and 3X.
2 and 3 in the pink. All right. That's all we have left. And the top, we'll put them back in the bag once we're done. So much. This is the top to match. Just so you guys, if you're just joining us, you'll see it. This is the top. Warm, so nice. Feels so good and soft. See? So soft. It's good. So good. Sorry we're not reading the comments because we're trying to show you guys the stuff, right? We're trying to show you. So sorry. All right? Yes.
Okay. So
this is the one that Vanilla and I have matching. We came on live in matching.
it has the checkers?
In matching in these. This is the ones with the checkers. Yeah, the red. We have, both of us have this outfit. Yeah. This is the top of it. And the bottom, she's about to show you. Here's the bottom. See, they're all after pulling them out the bag. See, this is the bottom of it. Around the waist is red. Got that red stripe. Got the checkers on the side.
We have that in 2X and 3X.
2 and 3, all right. Sorry for the small people then, but we'll get the bubble shoes.
Yeah.
We're still waiting on those guys.
And also in that we have
so we have what?
2X and 3X only.
Oh, in these.
Yeah.
Oh, in the checkers.
Right. And in the checkers we also have just the 3X bottom.
We have just the 3X bottom in the checkers. So we
And
just
a
have
1X.
and a 1X. Yeah, a 1X. So if you just want the bottom, the tops of these two sold out. All right, so we just have the 2 bottom left. All right.
And then in the black fleece, the one with the fleece down the side.
It's not fleece.
Not
it's
fleece,
like
the furry
fur on the side. Yeah.
This is in the pants. We only have a 3X pants.
Yeah, the top for this is sold because we sold them separately, just in case, because you know some people, they're bigger on the top than and smaller on the bottom, or smaller and heavier on the top, so we sell them separately. So we have a jeans here, guys, and it's a 2X. This was from our Christmas collection last year, and it's the only one we have left. Okay, it's a jeans. It's one of those painted jeans. It is the only one we have. It's a painted jeans. See, these are the colors to it. Yeah.
It has
Red, green, and this tan color.
yellow, tan.
It's no yellow. It's like it's a
That's
tan.
a yellow.
Oh, it's kind of like a lime green.
Like a
kinda
lime green, yeah.
type of thing.
Yeah.
I don't know if the camera is showing it correctly, but this is a 2X.
That's a 2X.
Alright. Alright. Coming up next.
This is the only one we have in there.
This is the only one we have in this, so make sure you're fast in screenshotting this one, because it's the only one we have. So there's no more to this. This is it. This is it. It's so warm up here.
Yeah.
All right, this is another jogging suit. They call them joggers.
Yeah.
All right, that is the top. You gotta bring it over so they can see.
Closer?
Not closer and cover me up.
You want me just to show them the pattern?
But here's the pants. Here's the bottom, I should say. Yeah.
And see the arms and the bottom of this match?
Yeah, there's the stripe on the
Stripe
side.
on the side.
Yeah, it goes with it. Stripe around the waist.
And this is a 3X.
This is a 3X, so this is for the bigger queens, all right? Yeah, the one with some booty. 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 All right. Is this the last of what we have? Okay, the last of what we have for tonight, guys, are some vests. This is what it looks like. We put it on an hanger so you could see it. This is a vest with the hoodie on it. This is like a dusty rose. Yes. So as pockets. 4 pockets. We have them here. She's taking them out of the plastic just to show you.
Yeah, I took it out of the plastic.
Yeah, so we're taking them out of the plastic. So
I'm just trying to see what size it's in.
yeah, so we got them over here.
So we have a 1X, 2X, sorry, 3X.
We got a 3X in this. And
This is a 1X.
a 2X. We got a 2, we
One,
got a
2, and
3.
3.
We got a 1, 2, and 3 in these.
Yep.
As a matter of fact, I have one of these still. I wore it the other day. Where did I went in it? I don't remember, but I wore this. Yeah, with some, what did I wear with? With some,
Black.
no, it was my jeans.
Oh, yeah.
Cut up, rip up jeans. And I don't remember the shoes that I wore with. Oh, it was some Michael Kors, fuzzy thing that I go on with me. Yeah. And that's it. So good luck. Good luck to everyone.
Good luck, good luck.
I hope you sent in your pictures. I hope you're the lucky ones who first sent such and such and such and such. And usually if we go in and then you're not the first, but you're the second, and you know, we can't ship it to you, we will. You understand? That's what we do. I hope you guys had fun with us tonight. Congratulations again, Tessan.
Congratulations, Tessan.
And to my woman, 10 cakes. 10. You were 10. I love you guys as always, and there's nothing you can do about it. We ain't gonna promise a praise and worship this week. It's been a crazy. It's crazy. I'm not even going. You'll see us when you see us, all right?
Yes.
But just know we still love you guys.
We're still here.
We're still here.
Nobody in a running shop.
Nobody no run away. No.
We're
We're
still
just
here.
busy.
Yes.
Yes, we'll show up when we can, all right? And hopefully you'll be here when we show up, yeah? Big up all of you guys tonight that come to see about us. Big up all the platform holders. I saw Stacy Campbell in the comment.
Stacey.
Who else you saw? Tell me who they in the comment, guy. Tessan is the winner tonight, yes. Wanna tell us who did stop by where we might not see in the live. so we can big them up.
Kingston 13.
Kingston 13 was in here.
Yes.
Lord. Deanna, big up yourself. Deanna, big
Love
up
you
yourself.
too,
Love
you
you.
too.
Big up yourself, Carol. Big up yourself, Nicola. Nationa, big up yourself, Queen.
Jacqueline. Miss Lothian.
Miss Lothian, big up yourself, Queen. We're going to stop. You're on the list. We're going to stop by you. We're not saying when. We're just going to show up. And we're going to go all over the place with the list.
Yep.
All right? Yes, big up Miss Lothian. Yes, big up Miss Lothian. Miss Queen Lothian. Make sure you guys support Miss Lothian. Make sure you, she has amazing cakes. Make sure
her food tastes great.
Her food tastes amazing. Know that she's carrying Majesty Cakes and Auntie Donna Cakes this year. Big up yourself, Jennifer Gooden. Remember Auntie Jen, she has amazing cakes in Jamaica. Yes. Big up on herself, everybody. Foresight, big up yourself. Sonia, big up yourself. Big up, big up, big up. Big up. Big up on herself. God bless you guys. I love you guys. And there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Not even if you try. And if you don't love chocolate, me know say, I don't love Master Baker. One or the other. All right. I love you guys.
Sunshine Queen.
Yes, Sunshine Queen. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. All right, good night, guys. Sandy K. Yes, there she is. There she is, Miss Sandy K. Always throwing them love at us.
Joy,
thank you so much.
Jacqueline.
Big up on herself. Yeah.
Everybody have a blessed night.
Have a blessed night. All right. Cordelia, I think that's what it says. Yes, Cordelia. See? Slimmers. Big up yourself, Shaw.
Jamrock.
Jamrock is on here?
No, she said Jamrock sister.
Oh, Jamrock sister. Oh, Jamrock sister. Norma, big up yourself. Norma, Romans, big up yourself. Charmaine. Good in. Sadie. I hope I said it right. Sadie, big up yourself. Big up, big up, big up, big up. We're going to got you with the phone, you know? Yes. We're not going to call you guys this late at night.
Nope.
We're going to call you tomorrow, all right? So make sure you pick up your phone when we call. Forget your information to ship you your stuff, all right? Yes. Nobody ignore we, you know, that you come and say chocolate. Them not send me something, them. No, we send what we promise. We do what we promise. Yes. Yes. As
and
long
like
as
we said, it's a first come, first serve.
Yes, so. Man. Big up on yourself. All right. Love you guys. Good night.
Love you, kings and queens.
We're going to chop we up on the internet tomorrow or Monday. But blow them a kiss for us, all right? Good night.
Take care. Bye-bye.